Alright villagers, right, here we go. So the simple thing that everybody loves on a Sunday is roast potatoes, roast beef, but Yorkshire puddings. So I'm going to show you the simplest way of making Yorkshire puddings, because everybody says they can't do it, they don't rise, this, that and the other. So I've got a few little tips for you to show you how to make the best Yorkshire puddings. First of all, you need a flat cap, right, got to be in Yorkshire. Secondly, pint of John Smith's, very important, liquid refreshment. Ooh. And then here's the secret, right, crack the oven up, if you've got a fan oven, 200 degrees, and leave it on there for, well, how long has this been on now? Let's have a look, about 15-20 minutes, something like that, so it's fully up to heat. Now here's the thing I use, you can use all sorts of things, can't you, but lard, good old-fashioned lard. And what I'll do today is I'm going to make 8 Yorkshire puddings. I could make 12, but I'm going to make 8 because they'll be a little bit bigger. And actually, you know, when you're at home, there's 5, 6 of you don't need all them. So here we go. So what you do, here's the secret. So you get the lard and you chop the lard back into little narrow strips, you know, like carrots you used to do, things like that. Then chop the lard up into pieces like this. There you go. There you go, another piece. Another piece. Look at that. Fantastic. Another piece. There you go. Chop it up. And all you need to do then is get these pieces of lard, dropping it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go, 8 pieces of lard. Simple as that. There you go. All you need to do now, put that in the oven at the top. There we go. So put it at the top of the oven and leave that to get cracking. Now you'll leave that probably for about I don't know, I'd leave it 10-15 minutes, so it's really smoking. So that's the secret, is get it really hot. You probably need about 25 minutes, half an hour before you even put the mixture in. Really hot. Okay, so here we go. What are the ingredients? Righty, 3 eggs, wallop. 1, 2, 3 eggs, in they go. Milk, 225 ml, simple as that, 225 milk, in it goes, lob it in, job done. That's the milk out of the way, eggs, done, out of the way. Now then, give it a good mix up, like so, there you go. Lovely jubbly. Once you're happy with that, 100 grams of plain flour, that's it, drop it in here, but actually a little bit at a time. So what you want to try and do is, as you're mixing it in, you don't really want to get it stuck on the sides of the bowl. So once you've got it mixed in like this, add a bit more, voila, there you go, mix it around like this, just so it's not sticking to the sides of the bowl. There you go, and a little bit more. You don't need these posh machines to make good Yorkshire puddings, trust me. There you go, in we go like this, that's it, get it all sorted, so it's all mixed in properly. There we go. And now, give it a good mix. Look at this. Like I say, no fancy machines, okie dokie, just give it a really good mix up. Like so, and you'll know when it's ready, because when you swizz it around the sides of the bowl, look, see, you'll see little bits stuck to the bowl. When you've not got many of them, you know it's done. There you go. Simple as that. That's ready. Now then, here's a good one. Salt. So probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 turns of salt. That's quite a key one. The salt will help it rise, and I put a little bit of ground pepper in. There you go, look at that, fantastic. Give it another good whisk up like this. Have another slurp of Yorkshire beer. Really important for your Yorkshire puddings, Yorkshire beer. And it's as simple as that. That's down ready. And what we'll do is, we'll come back in a minute once the fats or the lard's really hot, and then we'll show you, we'll stick them in and then we'll see what it does. Absolute magic Yorkshire puddings these are. See you in a minute. Right, like I said, secret is to make sure that your lard is really hot. Okay, so get your mixture, tip it into your jug like that, make a bit of a mess like I've done. Who gives a monkey's uncle? Okie dokie, give it a quick wipe. There you go. Most important, time to have a quick slurp. The can's completely empty. So's the glass. Right, let's get this out quickly. Woohoo! You can tell it's really hot by the way it smells. Here we go. So what we're going to do is, like I said, 8 very quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And these are fair sizes. I've done all different sizes just to give you an idea. We should get a good rise on these. Stick them back in. Like that, Bob's your uncle. And then, well, in about 15-20 minutes we should have perfect Yorkshire puddings. I'll be back to show you what they look like. Right, so here we go, this is it, the big moment. So we've got it all sorted, like I said, Pete Cat, John Smith's. Always important to have a quick slurp. Oven gloves, health and safety. And we'll go and have a look and see what these Yorkshires look like. Turn the oven off, they look pretty good to me. Woohoo! Oh my wordy days. Let's get them out of the oven, let's have a look. There you go. Look at that. Look at them rascals. Look at that. Lovely and light and fluffy. Lots of air in it. That, my friends, is, look at that, beautiful. Tell you mate, Yorkshire puddings. Piece of cake. So it's Phil from the Travel Village. Signing off. Have a happy Yorkshire pudding making time. Bye bye. Oh, bloody brilliant. Bloody brilliant.